How's it going, everybody? If you are a resident here in Michigan and you have an auto insurance policy and you're looking to lower your auto insurance rates, you're definitely not alone, and this video is for you. Today I wanted to go over some simple tips that you could potentially look into before you start jumping from one insurance company to another and potentially cutting coverages just to get a lower rate and putting yourself more at risk while you're on the road. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Brian. I'm an independent insurance agent based here in the state of Michigan, Metro Detroit specifically, and I work with businesses on their commercial insurance programs, as well as helping families and individuals with their personal insurance, their home, their auto insurance as well. My goal with this channel is to pass on a little bit of educational information to you so that you can make more informed decisions around your insurance, and then overall, help answer any questions that you might have. So let's get into it, and before we get too far into the video, I do want to invite you to subscribe to the channel, and if you find this video helpful, useful, anything like that, please feel free to like, share, pass it along with anyone else as well. Now first, I do want to start out with a warning, and not to necessarily burst anyone's bubble, but if you do all of a sudden find a lower rate with some insurance company, just make sure that you are not losing out on certain coverages and certain coverage amounts. This is especially common if you are maybe just shopping online by yourself and not working with an agent. It's common if you're just going through an insurance portal system that you might select different coverages and different coverage amounts than you currently have on your policy. So please make sure that you are keeping adequate coverage for things like your bodily injury liability, your PIP coverage, your uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage. These are really the common areas that I see people either dropping coverage amounts down or dropping them off completely when they are going online and shopping by themselves. So step number one when you are maybe looking to shop your insurance is to make sure that you really truly are getting apples to apples coverage to what you had before. So now for the 3 tips. Number 1, and there's a reason that every insurance company talks about this, and that is to look to bundle your home and auto insurance policies together. It's really going to be the simplest and easiest way to reduce your premium. So if you don't already have your home and auto insurance together with the same insurance company, definitely look to do that first. And even if you don't own a home, adding a renter's policy can make a huge difference as well. And the best part about bundling these 2 policies together is that it doesn't change your coverage at all. It just gives you a lower rate. And now number 2, if you do have comprehensive and collision coverage on your auto policy, look to maybe increase these deductible amounts, or if you have collision coverage, maybe look at standard versus broad. I know this would mean that you'd be responsible for more out of pocket if you ever were involved in an accident or if your car got stolen, but you would keep more money in your pocket up front versus the insurance companies. It's definitely worth at least looking at and considering going to a higher deductible. And then number 3, this can be somewhat out of your control, but it is staying claim-free and then violation and ticket-free. Keeping a claims-free discount and then avoiding any potential tickets, driving safer on the road is really going to be the thing that keeps your rates low over time and is just stable with the insurance companies. So really those are the 3 biggest ones, but a quick bonus tip is ask your agent if any group discounts might be available. A lot of times insurance companies might give you a discount if you're a college alumni, maybe if you're a veteran or a professional like a CPA, a teacher, or a nurse. Every insurance company is a little bit different, but it can be common for some of these discount codes to be available. So overall, nobody likes high auto insurance rates. So if you haven't looked into these 3 tips before, definitely ask your agent about them. But the biggest thing is when you are looking to potentially try to lower your auto insurance rate is to not skip out on certain coverages just to get that lower rate. That is definitely the most common mistake that I do see people make. So thank you for watching, and if you are looking for help with your auto insurance here in Michigan or just insurance in general, I would love the opportunity to work with you and see if our team can help. There are a lot of ways to get a hold of me, and they should all be in the description below. Please feel free to text, call, email, fill out a contact form, whatever's easiest. And if you have any other questions about insurance, please feel free to reach out directly or leave them in the comments below. I would love to help answer those as well. So thank you again.